chiropractor here at Attend to Health. This is Lauren, one of the osteopaths at Attend to Health, and I thought we'd do a very quick live video just discussing the differences between chiropractors and osteopaths, because I know a lot of people tend to ask this question. So one of the differences is chiropractors are actually trained in taking x-rays and developing them at uni, so they have got this option if the facilities are available. So that's one difference between us.
We never got to do that, but traditionally we're known for doing cranial sacral therapy, which some osteopaths still are trained to do, part of their training really.
Yeah, which again, chiropractors don't tend to do that within their undergraduate training. They would then have to choose to train in craniosacral techniques afterwards. Another thing that's different is chiropractors tend to use a few more gadgets. We've got things like this activator that just put a tiny little force through a joint, or we can use things like these blocks under the pelvis to help. So that's one difference.
Absolutely. We all do manipulations,
yeah,
but we traditionally went along with the rule of the artery is supreme. So we went with more blood being the basis of our training, whereas
we went with the nerves. So we'd say it would be a pinched nerve or trapped nerve or something like that that could be causing a problem. Whereas yours is the blood.
Absolutely.
So
exactly. So very similar.
That's it. They run together, don't they? Most of the time.
Absolutely. So it's hard, isn't it?
It
to
is.
differentiate between the two, but
yeah.
So
I think, like you say, we then have just slight different manipulation techniques that we use, but really we both can manipulate joints if needed.
Absolutely.
We both do a lot of massage.
Yeah, that's probably the basis of most of our treatments anyway at the moment. But
for both of us. And then some gentle mobilisations as well for the joints. So this is where we're quite similar.
Absolutely. When people ask, what's the difference? Well, actually not very much. Just a few little tiny bits. And if you've seen a chiropractor or an osteopath before, you'll know that they can be quite similar. Yeah.
And then at the same time, it's what suits your body. So if you've seen an osteopath in the past and that's worked for you, well, perhaps stick with an osteopath, or similarly with a chiropractor.
Absolutely.
Or if you have to switch between the two, don't worry, it's not that different.
No, it's not scary.
Yeah, exactly. So hopefully this is just giving you some ideas of what the differences are, but really what are the similarities between the two. Thanks for watching.
Bye.